Hello! Welcome to today's lesson. By the way, good day, viewers. I think by the grace of the Almighty, you are all doing fine, right? This is another day for us. Okay, but let's quickly start. And I think you are subscribing, right? Are you subscribing? Are you sharing? Please share the channel to your friends so that they also benefit from Sir Mysty's channel. Are we getting that? From Sir Mysty 1. Same. I'm the only Sir Mysty with what? Two wives. Are we getting that? Okay. So, in today's lesson, we are going to be looking at tables for a given operation in a given number base. Are we getting that? So, the number bases we've done, we can construct what tables for them. You can be asked to what? Construct what? A table for or addition table or multiplication table. So the operation will be given to you. For which number base, and that one too will be given. Are we getting that? And whenever we are doing that, you have to note something. After every operation, convert the results to the required what? Base. All that one means is that whenever you don't convert, let's imagine we are constructing what? Addition table for base, let's say 4. So in base 4, we know the digit for base 4. That is starting from 0 to where? To 3, right? Okay, so 0 to 3. These are the digits we are supposed to see in the table. Are we getting that? Or filling the table? So whenever you don't convert something and you put it there, it can be a digit that is not what? Part of the digit of what? Base 4. Are we getting that? When we begin with examples, you understand what I mean. So we convert everything to the required base before we continue. Are we okay? Let's use example 1 to start. In example 1, you have to draw addition and multiplication tables for number base 5. We are drawing what? Addition and multiplication what table for number base what? 5. Okay, we are saying tables because we have a table for the addition and a table for the multiplication. So we have two tables here. Are we getting that? So let's see. We have to draw addition and multiplication tables for number base 5. So the number base is what? 5. And we know the digit for what? Number base 5. And what are they? That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Okay, it's up to 4. Okay, up to 4. So we have 0, 1 to what? To 4. These are the digits for what? Number base 5. So we are going to construct out of the addition. So we have my plus or my addition, and under that one, I can have my addition here. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the digits for what? Base 5. Then here too is 0, 1, 2, 3, then 4. So now I have my lines to be this. Okay. To be that. Then this one too goes this way. That one too comes this way. Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah. So this is the addition table for number base 5. Number base 5. So the digits are from 0 to 4, here too from 0 to 4. Are we getting that? Okay, now let's proceed. So to add, I'll take the first digit here and I'll add it to each of the digits what? Top. Are we getting that? So taking this one, adding it to this one, this and this are meeting here, so I'll put the answer here. This and this one is coming this way and this one is coming this way, they meet here. This one and this one, they are coming this way, they meet here. Please, are we getting that? So taking this and that will be what? 0, addition. Then this one plus this one is 1, this plus that 2, this one plus this 3, 0 plus 4, 4. Please, are we getting that? Then I take the 1 to 1 plus 0 is 1. Somebody will say 0. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 gives 3. 1 plus 3 gives 4. And 1 plus 4 gives what? 5. 5 is not part of the digits of what? Number base 5. Please, are we getting that? So we convert this answer, and that is the NB here. Are we getting that? We convert this one to base 5. So we are having 5. And how, since we are in base 5, we ask ourselves, how many 5s? How many groups of 5 can we get here? And that is what? Only 1. Then how many units left? 0. So converting this 5 to base 5, forget that what? 1, 0. Please, are we getting that? We are not supposed to put the 5 here because 5 is not part of the base 5. Okay. Then let's proceed. Then this one plus this one is 2. This plus that is what? 3. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 3, 5. So should I put 5? No. And we've calculated for that one and we said 1, 0. Then 2 plus 4, that one 2 is 6. How many groups of 5 can we get here? That is one group, then remember 1 or 1 unit is what left. So this one is 1, 1. You know how to convert this one, we've done it already. So then the next one says what? 3 plus 0, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Then 3 plus 2, that is 5, that is 1, 0. 3 plus 3, that is 6, that is 1, 1. And 3 plus this one, 3 plus 4, that is 7. And 7 to how many groups? That is one group of 5. Then what is left? 2. So I'll have 1, 2. Please, are we getting that? Are we here? Okay. Then doing for this one, I think now you have the concept and a lot of you are finishing. Can you complete it? I know you can do that one. Okay. You can pause the video and you complete it. Okay. So this one plus this one 2 is 4. Then this one plus this 5. So I'll write 1, 0. That is 4 plus 1. Then 4 plus 2 is 6. That is 1, 1. 4 plus 3 is 7. That is what? 1, 2. Then 4 plus 4 is what? 8. That is 1, 3. Because 8, I'll have how many groups of 5? That is 1. Then what? How many units are left? That is what? 3. Are we getting that? So this is what? The addition table for number base 5. So let me see if I can do that one here. So I have my times here. 0, 1, 2, 3, then what? 4. And this one to go this way. 0, 1, 2, 3, then 4. So I have this. And this one to close it like this. Okay, so this one too is what? The multiplication table for number base 5 or base 5. And let's complete. So I'll have 0 multiplying everything here. So 0 by 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And even this one too, because I'll have 1 by 0, 2 by 0, 3 by 0. So I'll have 0, 0, 0, 0. Are we getting that? Okay. Then I have 1 by 1 is 1. 1 times 2, 2, 1 times 3, 3, 1 times 4, 4. Then 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, and 6 is what? How many group of 5? 1 and 1, so 1, 1. Then 4, 2 times 4 is what? 8, and that one too is 1, what? 3. Then I come to 3 times 1 is what? 3. 3 times 2, 6, and we know that one is 1, 1, right? Then I have 3 times 3, and that is 9. I have one group of 5, then 4 is left. So I have 1, 4. Then this one, 3 times 4 is what? 12. And in 12, what do I have? So I have 2, 2. And I come to this side. 4 times 1 is 4. Then 4 to 8, and we said that one is 1, 3. Then I come to 4 times 3. 4 3 is what? 12. That is what we did here. And that is 2 2. Then 4 4 16. So in this 16, I have how many groups of 5? How many 5s are in this? That is 3. Then what is left? 1 in it. So converting this one to base 5 is what? 3 1. You know what to do. So we have 3 1. And that is what? The multiplication table 2 for what? Base 5. And we can see through that both in the addition and the multiplication, we are having what? Only the digit of base 5 filling what? Everything. Are we getting that? We are not having any other digits apart from what? The digit for base what? 5. Please, are we getting that? Okay, so that is that for that one. Okay, so now let's now take example number 2. Example number 2. Copy and okay. So this is number 2 2. And now number 2 2 says what? Copy and complete the addition and multiplication tables in base 8 below. And these are the tables 1 and 2. This is what? The addition table, and this is multiplication word table. Somebody will say that, say, we are in base 8. But why is it that the digits for base 8 are from 0 to what? 7. And this one is from 0 to what? 5. That is what is given to you to what? Complete. But if you are to construct or if you are to draw without anything given to you, that is when you have to bring everything. Please, are we getting that? Like this particular example. The same example, they can give it to you and they will ask you to complete this table. But they will choose to break it from 0 to what? They can even choose to take what? 0, 3, 4. Are we getting that? And omit some of them. It's the table that they brought, meaning part of the table were not given. So that is their table for you to what? Copy and complete. Are we getting that? You are not to draw. You are not to construct the table. The table has already been given to you, and that is what they are saying. They are having this 0 up to 5. So somebody will say, then this one is in base 6. No, they are saying base 8. So the addition we are going to give should be in what? Base 8. Just that they didn't bring part of them. And even in base 8, they can also choose to give you what? Let's say 1, 3, 5, 7. Only those ones for you to do. It depends on them. Are we getting that? You are not to construct the table yourself. This is what is given. You have to fill it using the idea of base 8. Are we okay? So let's now, and somebody seeing this will start filling what? The question. Please, this is a question, so we have to reconstruct and we fill it. Are we getting that? That is why they are saying you have to copy and complete. So we copy this, then we complete it. Are we getting that? We are not to fill it here. So that is that. So let's start. So we say solution. So we are starting with what? That of the addition. So I have. So let's now continue. So this is now what? I've copied it and I'm now coming to what? Complete. Already I was giving what? 0, 3. So 0 where? 0 here. And 3 here. Under the one. 3 here. Then what is 5 under the 1, 5 here. Is it here? And 4, yeah. Then I have what? 1, 2 here. And I have 7 here. 7 here. Okay. So, and lastly what? 6 here. Okay. So let's now proceed. So you ask yourself, how did they even get what? The 0. That is 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 5 is 6. Are we getting that? Okay, so let's proceed. And here they had what? Since they are in base 8, they had 3 plus 4, that is 7. Don't say we are in base 6. So getting to 7, bear in mind it's in base 8, like what I said, but just that they give you what? This digit out of the base 8. It's not always all are supposed to come. Please, are we getting that? So to continue, what do we do? Then 0 plus this one to get us what? The 1. 0 plus 2 will get us 2. Then this one will get us 3. I have 4. Then this one getting us 5. 1 plus 0, 2 is getting us 1. This one is getting us 2. Then I have the 3. 1 plus 3 getting us 4. Then this one plus 4 getting us 5. And 1 plus 5 getting us a 6. So 2 plus 0 getting us 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Are we getting that? And even we can see that it's forming a pattern. Are we okay? Okay. So now let's proceed. I have 3. So 1, 2, 3, up to 6. Then this one comes to 2. So definitely this one will go to 3. But we are not checking that. Let's continue. This plus that is 3. This plus this plus this is 4. Plus that is 5. Plus that is 6. Plus that is 7. Then this plus this is what? 8. Now we are in base 8. We are having 8. 8 is not supposed to come inside. So we put what? 8. How many groups of 8 are in base 8? That is 1, remainder 0. So I'll put what? 1, 0. And we come here. This plus that is what? 4. This plus this is 5. This plus that is 6. We have 7. Then this plus this is 8. Then that one too, 10 to 1, 0. Then this plus this is 9. We are in base 8. So how many groups of 8 can we get here? That is 1. Then remainder 1 or 1 unit. So I'll have 1, 1. And this one to get us 5. Then 6, 7, and 8 will get us 1, 0. Then this one will get us 1, 1. This is what? 10. So 10, how many groups of 8? 1. Then what is left? That is the 2 units. Are we getting that? That's why we had that. So we've copied and completed what? The addition 1. Then let's move on to the multiplication 1. So for that one to already we've been given 0 under the 2. I have 4 going 1 step, 2 steps down. I have 5 here. I also have 17 somewhere here. Is it that? Yeah, and I have 3, 1. Is it 17? Not 1, 7. Because we are in base 8. And I have 1, 0. So let me check if those ones are correct. So this one is 0 plus, multiplication. 0 times 2 is 0. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. And that is 1, 0. Here 2 is what? 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. And how many groups of 8? That is 1. And what is left? 7. That is what is here. Okay, good. And this one, 5 times 5 is what? 25. 25. How many groups of 8? That is 3. Because 3, 8, 24. And what is left? 1. Make it 25. So 3, then what? 1 is left. That is what is here. Okay, so we continue. We continue that way. So let's now proceed. Let me hold this thing. Let's now continue. So 0 times 0, 0. Likewise we did for this one. We're going to see that for the multiplication, this one 0, this one 0. Because 0 by anything is 0. So 0, that one you don't have to waste your time. And this one to 0 multiplying everything, you'll get as the zeros. Okay. So now 1 times everything here. So 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 getting us 3. 1 times 4 getting us 4. 1 times 5, 5. Okay. 2 times 1 is 2. 2, 2, that is the 4. 2, 3, 6. 2 times 5 is what? 10. So I have 10. Base 8. So what do we do? How many groups of 8? That is 1. Then remainder 2. So I'll put 1, 2. Then I come to 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. And I have what? 1 group. So 1, 1. So that is 1, 1. Then 3 times 4 is what? 12. And for the 12, what do we get? How many groups of 8? That is 1. And what is left? What is left? That is 4. So I'll have 1, 4. And 3, 5, 15. How many groups of 8? That is 1. Then remainder 7. So I'll have 1, then 7 units left. Are we getting that? Okay, it's the same as what we had here. This one too is what? 5 times 3, 50. And this one is 3 times 5, 50. Okay, let's proceed. Then I have here with me 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, then it will tend to 1 0. 4 times 3 is what? 12. And the 12 is what? 12, we said 12 is 1 4. So then 4 times 4 is 16. 16. So 16, how many groups of 8 can we get from 16? That is 2. Having the 16, that is 2. Then how many units are left? 0. Are we getting that? So that is what? 2 groups of 8. 2 groups of 8, meaning 2 times what? 8. We know that one, and it's 16 already. So I have here to 2 0. So 4 times 5 3 is what? 20. And that one too is what? 20. So how many groups of 8? That is 2. Remember, that is 16. Remember, 16 is subtracted from this, you get what? 4. So we get 2 what? 4. Because 20. And when we convert it to base 8, that is what? We get 2 groups of 8. Then remember 4. Are we getting that? Okay. 5 times 2 is what? 10. And that one is 1, 2. And this one by this one to get this one. So 5 for 20. And that one too is what? 2 and then 4. Because 4 5 is 20. So this one too, since we are in base 8, we can use the calculator in computing this without us calculating anything. This one was in base 5, that is why we calculated it. This one is in base 8, and base 8 we said calculator can what? Perform the operation. Are we getting that? So you can just take what? Your this thing, your calculator, then you'll be multiplying. You'll be adding and also doing the multiplication. So this one we know getting here is very simple. So I want to do this one. Are we getting that? So that is what? 3 plus 5 to get at that. So what do? We go to what? The mode number 4. Then we are having the deck. We are dealing with what? Base 8. I click on the oct and we are having what? Base 8. So what do? I'll say 3 plus 5. Then I'll have the 3 plus 5. And that one is getting me what? 1 0. And that is what is here. So I'll be doing that. So I have, so taking 3, I'll say 3 plus 1. Then put answer 3 plus that one, we know them already. So coming to this side, let's imagine I want to do for this one. So that one is what? 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. Then I put my 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 equal to, then I have 1 1. That is what is here. I want to put 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5. So I'm just grading the addition on top. 5 plus 5. And that one is getting me 1 2. That is here. What is here? Are you getting that? So getting to this one to the same thing, multiplication. So now it's not addition. We are still in base 8. So what do? Let's imagine we want to do this. 4 times 5. So I'll say the 4 times the 5. And that one is getting me 2 4. That is what is here. Are we getting that? Let's imagine I want to do this. That's 5 times. That is 5 times 5. And doing that one to get us 5 times 5. That one too is 3 1. I want to do this. That is 3 times 5. So I put 3 times 5. 3 times 5 too is getting me 1 7. So whatever you do, you get it. So you can use the calculator. Since it is in base 8, in also doing that. I didn't use that one in the first place because sometimes you'll be giving those that you can't use the calculator. So we have to learn how to solve them manually before using the calculator. Are you getting that? Okay, so that is that for what? This one too. So I've copied and completed this one. This one too is very simple. And this one is part of what? The likely WASI questions. It is examinable. Okay. So let's now move on to example number 3. And I want to say copy and complete the binary multiplication table below. Are we getting that? So this one too, that is what is given. But when they ask you to construct what? Or draw addition and multiplication or only multiplication table for, let's say, base 2. Then what do you have to do? Then you are going to what? Create only 0 and 1. Are we getting that? Zeros and 1. But this one too is what? Binary. So they can pick anything for you. Are we getting that? And they can choose to even give you the numbers. They will say what? Draw a multiplication table or multiplication and addition table for the following base 2 numbers. Then they give you sets like 1 0 1 1 then 1 0 1. Are we getting that? So this side is going to be one all this. This side too is going to be what? All that. Please, are we getting that? But when they are giving it to you, they can give you anything. Let me come again. I say, well, this one is going to be here, and the same thing is going to be here. Then you have either your plus or your times here. Are we getting that? But when they are giving you the table, they can give you anything, and they will tell you it's in this. So you are performing your things in that base. Are we getting that? So this is the question, and we have to find the missing part. Are we okay? Okay. So solution. We have to what? Construct the table. I have 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1. It's 1 0 0. Then I have here to be 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1. So that one to come in this way. Yeah. And I have this one as this. Then closing it this way. That is good. That is somehow good. Yeah, we take it like that. So then we fill in what is given 1 1 0 1 0 0. We have here to be 1 0 0 0. We have here to be 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. And I think that is all. So I left with 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. So this one we are going to multiply this one by this. Are we getting that? So are we now going to do 1 0 times 1 0? Then we write this. We do this 0 times 0 0. 0 times 1 0. Then 1 times 0 0. 1 times 1 is 1. We do that. Then we have 0 0 1. Then now we put 1 0 0. Are we? So to calculate everything, we are going to spend much time. Are we getting that? Calculating everything, we are going to spend much time. So what do we now do? Since we are in base 2, we can use the calculator in doing that fast. Are we getting that? That is why sometimes most of the numbers are given to you in base 2 and in base 8. Because they know the calculator can help you. Are we getting that? Because the calculator is having the base 2 and the base 8. So that's why I said whenever you are giving base 2 and base 8, please just quickly use the calculator you are going to do. Because showing working will not fetch you anything. Are we getting that? Whenever you show all the workings, it will not fetch you anything. All that you are going to mark is you filling the potholes. And if you're able to fill it correctly, if it is 10 marks, you get all. There is nothing that they will give for what? This one. Are we getting that? Okay. So let's use the calculator and see. We are in base 2. So my mode, then number 4. I'm in base 10 now, so I convert to base 2. Bye. Okay. So now I have 1 0 times 1 0. So I have 1 0 times 1 0. Then I click on the equal to, and that's 1 0 0. That's what we did now. Then I have the same 1 0 times 1 1. So I'll just change the last distance. So I have 1. So that one too is what? 1 1 0. So I have 1 1 0. Then the next one is what? 1 1 times 1 0 1. So that one is 1 1. 1 1 times 1 0 1. 1 0 1. And that one too is getting us 1 1 1 1. Okay, good. Let's now proceed. So the next one is we want this one, that is 1 0 0 times 1 0. So I'll have, you can click on AC. 1 0 0 times 1 0. And that one too is getting us 1 0 0 0. That's three zeros. Then I have the next one to be 100 times 11. So I'll change the 10 to 11. Okay. Then that one so is getting at 1100. Are we getting that? You can even choose to confirm this one. That's 100 times 101. 101. And that is what? 10100. Please, are you getting that? So there's no need of you calculating this. So if you say mathematics is difficult, so if this question comes, now you are going to sit on, then you say there's no match what kind. Like what I said earlier, in this particular channel, everything concerning mathematics you understand, and also all the topics we take, the calculator aspect behind that, I will let you know everything. Please, do we get that? It's up to you. You practice what more and more. Okay, so that is that. Isn't it easy? That is that for what? Example number three. Okay, so this one will be your major work. I will not do it. Yeah, I will not do it. I'm just going to give them to you. You go and try. Yes, and you get the answers. Definitely, I know you will get them. You will get them. Okay, you will get them. So that is example number four. Example number four, where should I explain? Yeah. You have to draw addition and okay. So this is example number four. You are to draw addition and multiplication table for base 4. Please, are we getting that? Okay. There's something I want to say. It's not always that you see addition and multiplication. Sometimes too, they can turn it and they will say, draw multiplication and addition table for. So when you are drawing or when you are constructing, you have to come with what? The multiplication table first before the addition. Are we getting that? But in this particular examples and the previous examples, the addition were coming before what? The multiplication. That is why we do that of the addition before the multiplication. But I said they can also say multiplication and addition table, and you have to do that of the multiplication first before what? The addition. So you have to do that of what? Base 4. So both example number 4 and number 5, I will not solve it. Or in our next video lesson, I'm going to put the answers before we proceed with what the next one. Please, are we getting that? Because I can't produce the answers right now. You'll be lazy. It's the same thing. Is that not it? So maybe I'll produce that one for you to know whether you are on point or not. This is base 4, it's similar to base 5. We've done that one, and I think you can do that one. So example number 5 says copy and complete the binary multiplication and addition. Like what I was saying. This one is multiplication and addition. So you see multiplication table came before what? The addition one. Whenever you see that, make sure you do it in that order. Are we getting that? Okay, so that one too, this one you can use your calculator, but this one you can't use your calculator because we are not in one of those bases on the calculator. We are in base 4. So you do that one, then you do this one. Then we are left with our last lesson on what? Number base. That is what? How to arrange or comparing and ordering of what? Number bases other than base 10. And we can even add base 10 to it. So are we getting that? When base 10 numbers are given in different bases and you be asked to what? Arrange them in ascending or descending order, that is what we are going to be doing. And that's the last objective for this particular unit. Please, do we get that? And please, subscribe. Subscribe. You are not doing the subscription. Are we getting that? And please, share. You share. So immediately you share, you see, I'm going to get more viewers, and through that, I'm going to do more. Please, are we getting that? I can't sit for even a day without doing videos for you because a lot of people are watching my videos. A lot of the people like my videos. So you share to your friends for them also to benefit from me, and also comment for me to know what my strength and my weakness. And please subscribe. Should in case any new video is put, the notification will come on your phone so that you see that Sir Mysty 1 has put in a new video. Thank you. Bye bye.